In a controlled reserve where nature meets industry, a unique system begins.
Every animal is carefully monitored, ensuring precision at every step.
The lions remain calm, unaware of the complex process surrounding them.
Behind the scenes, workers maintain constant supervision.
Each animal follows a structured routine designed for efficiency.
Even grooming becomes part of the system.
From above, every movement is tracked and recorded. The next stage begins inside the processing facility. Raw materials are cleaned and prepared for transformation. Every surface is treated to ensure quality. Purification is essential before processing continues. Inside the factory, production moves at scale.
Each piece is carefully sorted based on quality.
Precision cutting defines the final product.
Materials are shaped and refined. Inspection ensures perfection at every level. Craftsmanship meets industrial precision. Traditional techniques still play a vital role.
Special treatments enhance durability and finish.
The materials are now ready for final shaping.
Every cut follows exact measurements. Consistency is key in every layer. Even the smallest imperfections are removed. The final texture is carefully refined.
Mass production begins on the assembly floor.
Designs are brought to life. Precision. Every detail must match the original design.
Only the best materials move forward.
The construction phase begins.
Edges are refined for a perfect finish.
The product takes its final form.
Hardware is secured with precision.
Each item is polished to perfection. Finished products are prepared for display.
Production meets organization at scale.
a team effort behind every creation.
From raw beginnings to finished excellence. Subscribe to my channel, World's Factory.